Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality food, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today I don't really have ingredients. I'm just really cooking something for my girl today. Today is her birthday. So if you guys can comment down below and tell Gloria happy birthday, I really appreciate that. Alright, let me go ahead and jump right into it. Today we're going to be making you guys a T-bone steak with grilled Cajun shrimps. Okay? On a skewer. Alright, that's what we're going to be doing. Let me show you the shrimps. Now, me, myself, I don't eat the shrimps, but she does, so I'm going to make it for her. We already hooked up for you. Alright? How they look, fam. Alright, now with these shrimps, let me take this over here because I'm going to be grilling that. I'm going to be using some butter. I have some butter, melted down butter, right here. And with this butter, all I did was put in some parsley flakes, and I zest a lemon in it, and also I put some Cajun seasoning in it, right here. And I'm going to squeeze a little lemon in this also before I baste it, okay? So that's what we got going on with that. Also, this part of my zester, I'm going to be making a side salad as well. And she wants like mushrooms and bell peppers, which I have those right here. This is the garlic. These are the mushrooms right here. And here's the bell peppers. She loves those, so I'm going to be doing that. And here's the little side salad right here. I'm going to be using with some tomatoes and cucumber. Alright? Guys, you need to get one of these. These are super delicious. New England cucumber. Alright, let me show you guys the meat. Like an 1.5 inches thick. These are T-bones right here. It's more like a quarter. Just missing this side right here, be a quarter. So this one looks like a quarter almost. My pineapple fell in the seat though. These how the steaks look right here. Alright? And all I'm going to do is put a little olive oil on that, and I'll put some of this seasoning on there. I got this seasoning from JB Barbecue and Guns. So guys, go check him out, and you know what's up. I'm trying to tell you, it's popping. So that's that. Also, I'm going to be having some rolls right here. Now with these rolls, in the restaurant we normally make like what they call a Google butter. All that is some melted down butter like this right here. You guys can see that. So it's like 2 tablespoons of that, and I have some half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and I have 2 tablespoons of not even a tablespoon, this is a tablespoon of brown sugar. And all we're gonna do is just put that in there. Also, I put in there is my little secret vanilla extract in there. You just want to mix this up on there like so. Guys, you need to try this one. I'm trying to tell you. It's called Google butter. I think if you ever eaten at a steakhouse place or something like that, like Longhorn or something like that, or Texas Roadhouse, and they had them little sweet breads and all that stuff, this is what they put on there. So, we just going to baste that on here. We're going to put these in the oven and let them go. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I think I touch ground on everything that I'm going to be doing, and I'm not going to be doing any more talking till I'm done with all the food. Okay, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I'm going to take some of this olive oil spray, cooking spray. Just going to spray a little bit on there like that. We're going to go in with our steaks first. Let's see if I want to do it like this or that. I'll probably go this way with it. those steaks right there, brother. All right. Now, the reason why I put them over this way is because the eye is a little bit bigger, and I'm trying to get an even cook. Now we want to go with the shrimp, which we already know the shrimp don't take long at all to cook. Right there. If I can put that on there a little bit better than that. Just gonna let that cook. Put a little bit more on there. Get this little piece of fat off of there. Alright, we're gonna let that cook for about good 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes on each side. And then show you guys what we'll be doing next. In a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I just want to turn these shrimps. Like that. Then you can take your butter. Alright, we'll do the other side, and they get through cooking. Check on our steak. Now, with this steak here, now what you could do, what I'm going to do, because I'm going to turn this down a little bit more, this end. So I'm going to turn it on 4. Matter of fact, I ain't going to mess with that. I ain't going to mess with none. I'm turning these shrimps down a little bit because they cook fast. Okay? So what you could do, I have one of these weights. You can put your weight on there, just like so, and let that cook. Turn on this fan. Get some of this smoke out the way. Alright guys, we'll go ahead and finish cooking that up. Hold on. I wanted to show you these biscuits. So, let me see if I can turn you guys over that way. You can see what I'm doing right here. Take this. Brush some on there. That's all they do, guys. At the restaurant. That's it. And they are delicious, I'm telling you. Try it. And we're going to bake these for about good, you're just pretty much warming them up. You're not baking anything really. Oh my goodness, when they get done, you're going to be like, oh my goodness, the kid's going to love you for life. Husband going to love you a long time, wifey or whoever. Tell them VELDOGGS showed you how to do that. So you're going to pop these in the oven. And I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. You go ahead and put some more of this on here. Get this side. You guys can see what I'm doing. Do this side. Alright guys, we finished cooking this stuff up. Make my salad up. I'll show you guys what it looks like. You guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Finally done with this food. Okay, here's her plate. Right here. Okay. Those are her shrimps right there, a little side salad, her steak, her Google biscuit, not biscuits, but Google bread, right there. Alright. And we got some Pepsi right here. Not to saying I'm advertising for them, but hey, you know what's up. Anyway, here's my plate right here. Looks the same, other minus the shrimp. This is mine, how that looks. Alright. And this is her cake. Right here. But guys, please tell her happy birthday in the comment section. That would really make her happy. I got some A1 steak sauce and some 57 Heinz sauce. Okay? Alright guys, I'm done with this. Hope you guys enjoy it. And do make it. Comment down in the comment section if you guys want to see me make a T-bone steak. Alright? I know you've seen a little bit, but I make them all type of different type of ways, okay? So you guys let me know what you think about that. And please stay tuned in and look at that giveaway that I got going on. Okay guys, I'm trying to give away some money. I'm trying to show you guys love back. So make sure you go and check out that video and answer them questionnaires for me, okay? So please give me a like, share, and please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to, that's right, hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen in a minute.